Welcome, in front of me is an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. And to begin the process, we need to open up the Files app, which is located in the Google folder. Let's go to the second page, and there we go. Now from here, scroll down and you should see both of your storages, so you have internal and the SD card. Now, if you don't see either one of them or only one, you want to tap on the three dots and you should see Show Storage Devices. So when you tap on that, you can see that they will appear. And from here, let's go to the storage. Now, internal storage is the one that will have the most amount of folders, so I'll go over this one. And starting off, DCMI folder is probably the primary suspect for everybody. That is the folder that you will find your photos, videos, anything that you have captured with the device. So as you can see, I had some photos in here that I will also use as an example later on. And then you have folder like downloads. This folder contains anything that you have downloaded on the device, that be through your web browser, email, or any kind of other app. Then we have movies, music, notifications, podcasts and stuff like that. Those folders usually are empty unless you place something there yourself. And also there is a pictures folder which contains screenshots, as you can see. And that's probably all of the most important ones. Now, once you find your files that you wish to move or copy, you want to select them, and you have a couple ways of doing it. You can either select them by simply selecting the files themselves, and you do it by holding it, like so. As you can see, it becomes selected, and then you can tap on additional ones to add them on. If you have entire folder full of photos, but for instance you want to select majority, almost all of them, you could go to select all, and then deselect the ones that you don't want to save on time. And probably if you want all of them, easier way would be just to take the entire camera folder. That will also include everything that is inside of it. And from here, once you have selected either the files, the folders, whatever it is, you want to tap on that three dots again. And in here you have two options, either move to or copy to. Now each one of them will perform a different operation. So if you choose move, it will completely remove the files that you have selected from where they are right now and move them to a new location that you choose. While copy will create duplicates of it, and it will move the duplicates to a new location while retaining the old ones where they are right now. So choose whichever one suits you. I'm gonna go with move. And once you tap on it, it will bring up the two options. You have the internal storage and the SD card. Now you could move it somewhere else in your phone storage, but I will just choose the SD card just to move it completely somewhere else. And from here you will see that there is a couple of folders. We already have a DCIM folder and a camera folder in here. Now let's see if there's anything in here. There's camera. Let's just create a new folder in here by tapping right over here. Let's allow, and here we can name it whatever we want. I just don't really care what it's named. And once you create it and save it, it will automatically move to that folder. So now we're in the DCMI storage on the phone storage side, and as you can see now the folder is empty. So let's back out and go to the SD, DCMI, camera, and this is the folder that I have created. There's another camera, and there we go. There are the files that I have created, or moved actually. So the same method works for any kind of file, not just photos or folders. And that's how you do it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.